Add constructive lesson plan of social science. Topic economic activities, class ninth. These are major concept. First one is to define the meaning of economic activities. Second is to classify the types of economic activities. Third is to identify the types of economic activities. These are learning objectives, processing skills and process skills, learning resources, prior knowledge. Students have prior knowledge about economic activities. First one is pupil teachers show a chart to student and instruct to this chart and answer what you observe in it. Student observe the chart and answer. In the first picture, people working in factories. In the second picture, a teacher teaching in a class. In the third picture, a farmer plowing his field. In the fourth picture, doctor is treating his patient. Question number 1. By whom are these activities done? Student answer, human beings. Question number 2. What is the purpose of human beings to do these activities? Student answer, to earn money for living. Question number 3. Why do human beings earn money? They will answer, to satisfy their needs and wants. These three questions are simple to complex way and zigzag questions. My first learning point is meaning of economic activities. Pupil teachers divide the class into two groups and show some flashcards and point out which related to economic activities. Student observe the flashcard and choose the flashcard related to economic activity. In the first picture, second and fourth, these pictures are related to economic activity. In the third picture, in the third picture, it is a non economic activities. Explain. What is economic activity? Student answer, it is the activity of making, providing, purchasing or selling goods or services. Now teacher explain economic activities. Economic activities refers to activities performed to produce goods or services to earn money. These activities add value to the national income. Elaborate. Give me more example related to economic activity. Student answer, teaching by a teacher, treatment of patient by a doctor, cultivation by a farmer, working in a factory by a laborer. Evaluation. Teachers give a worksheet to student. Student answer in the worksheet first, second, third, fourth. True, false, true, true. Now, learning point is type of economic activities. My second learning point is types of economic activity. First stage is explore. Pupil teacher show a chart to students and instruct at this chart and answer why what you observe in it. Student observe the chart and answer. In the first picture, selling fruits in market. In second picture, working in offices. In the third picture, cultivation for self consumption. And the last picture, construction of hut for his family. Explain what are the types of economic activities. Student answer, market activity and non-market activity. Teacher explain types of economic activities. First one is marking activity. In this, occupational sectors of an economic activity, these are three sectors: primary, secondary, tertiary. And non-market activities, there are two types of activity. First one, market activity, and the last is non-market activities. Elaborate. Give me more examples of Market activities. Student answer, a farmer producing rice and selling in a vegetable mandi. And a teacher working in a school. Evaluation. Teacher give a worksheet to students. Fill in the blanks. Student answer in the worksheet. First one, market activities. Second, primary sector. Third, secondary sector. Fourth, service sector. Fifth, non-market activities. Summary. Students, today we learned about meaning of economic activities. It refers to activities performed to produce goods or services to earn money. Types of economic activities. There are two types of economic activities. First one is market and second one is non-market. Your assignment is make the flow chart of types of economic activities, classify them and paste the pictures also. Reflection. Today I taught in the class of social science meaning of economic activities and types of economic activities by using various teaching aids, and I realized that the students take interest in the class and have show curiosity to learn more with interest. Thank you.